Fáilte, welcome back to our Irish for Parents mini lesson series. This lesson we're going to look at how to ask "Are you okay?" in Irish, so a great one to ask your kids, your partner, anybody at all in your life. As per usual, these are quick, short and very practical and easy to use and add into your day. So "Are you okay?" in Irish is on bhfuil tú or on will to. So this BH is pronounced like a V in Munster and like a W elsewhere. On bhfuil tú ceart galore, are you okay? On bhfuil tú ceart galore, or on bhfuil tú ceart galore. Now, when native speakers say this a bit quicker and more naturally, they leave out this N sound, so it's just a bhfuil tú ceart galore. As per usual, you can type this into aber.ie and you'll be able to hear it in all of the different dialects. And if you are a parent, we have a 6-week Gaeilge guide to speaking Irish at home, which you can find down below and is a great starter. Or we have a complete Gaeilge guide to speaking Irish at home that gives you everything you need from morning until night, including goodies for the kids as well. So it's the perfect way to improve you and your children's Irish in a natural, practical and very, very easy to fit into busy life type of way. You can find both of those down below, and if you're watching this later on YouTube, you can sign up for this free newsletter down below in the description as well. Gura míle maithe, thank you so much. Feicime an seachtain seo thugann. I'll see you next week. Agus slán go fóill. Bye for now.